Welcome to How to Use ChatGPT to Find High-Paying Jobs. This course is designed to help you leverage the power of ChatGPT, a large language model, to optimize your job search and find high-paying jobs. Throughout this course, we will cover various strategies and techniques that you can use to make the most of ChatGPT's capabilities. Whether you are just starting your job search or looking to fine-tune your approach, this course will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. In the first week of the course, we will introduce you to ChatGPT and its capabilities. You will learn how to interact with ChatGPT and understand the basics of natural language processing, NLP. In the second week, we will focus on identifying high-paying jobs. We will explore how to analyze industry trends and refine job search queries using ChatGPT. Additionally, we will show you how to set up alerts and notifications for new job postings. In the third week, we will dive into crafting an effective resume. You will learn how to optimize your resume using ChatGPT and identify keywords and phrases to include. We will also show you how to use ChatGPT to review and refine your resume. In the fourth week, we will explore networking for job opportunities. You will learn how to identify networking opportunities using ChatGPT and craft effective outreach messages. Additionally, we will show you how to manage and track networking interactions using ChatGPT. In the fifth week, we will focus on preparing for interviews. You will learn how to use ChatGPT to prepare for interviews, identify common interview questions and how to answer them, and practice interview skills. In the sixth week, we will explore negotiating salary. You will learn negotiation strategies and techniques and how to use ChatGPT to research market salaries. Additionally, we will practice salary negotiation scenarios using ChatGPT. Finally, in the seventh week, we will review the key concepts and strategies covered throughout the course. We will discuss next steps for your job search using ChatGPT and provide an opportunity for you to evaluate the course and provide feedback. We are excited to have you join us for how to use ChatGPT to find high-paying jobs. Let's get started.